Want to get more out of Windows Clock on Windows 10? The Clock app gives you useful tools for alarms, timers, a stopwatch, and different time zones, making it easier to manage your time directly from your PC. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Windows Clock on Windows 10 in 2026. First, click the Start button and search for Clock. Select the Clock app from the search results to open it. Depending on your Windows 10 installation, the available features and layout may vary slightly. Let's start with alarms. Open the Alarms section and create a new alarm. Choose the time, select the days you want it to repeat, and customize the available alarm options. You can use alarms for meetings, reminders, waking up, or other important events. Next, use the timer feature when you need a countdown. Create a timer and set the hours, minutes, and seconds. Click Start to begin, and you can pause or reset the timer whenever necessary. For measuring elapsed time, open Stopwatch. Click Start to begin counting. Use lap to record intervals when available, and select Stop when you're finished. This can be useful for workouts, study sessions, experiments, or everyday tasks. If you need to compare times around the world, use the available World Clock or additional clock features. Add locations you're interested in and compare their local times with your current time. This can be helpful when working with international clients or scheduling calls. For system-wide clock settings, open Settings, then select Time and Language and choose Date and Time. Here you can manage automatic time settings, time zones, and other Windows Clock options. Once you've configured your preferred settings, use Clock regularly for reminders, countdowns, timing tasks, and checking different time zones. These built-in tools can help you manage your day without installing another clock application. And that's how to use Windows Clock on Windows 10 in 2026. From alarms and timers to stopwatch and time zone settings, Windows gives you several useful tools for managing time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.